this video. In this today's video, like I made mention in our last video, that we're going to do a kind of a similar thing to this of our shuffle that we did here, but this scenario is going to be choice, because what we did here, when we allowed, what we did was just to shuffle our box, which is this variable, and then it's going to shuffle, it's going to shuffle it. It's not going to be in the order that we want. We can achieve this using set, because set tends to reshuffle our contents inside there, maybe inside the list or inside of anything. You can set make it to be on in an ordered way, but we can, because this is just changing our content. But let's say in a situation we want to get, after it's done shuffling, we want to get a particular element. Let's say when this is done shuffling, just get to shuffle this our entire box here. Maybe instead of 1 will be here, 6 might be here, and 5 might be here, so it's going to just reshuffle them. But let's say in the case we want to get a particular element, maybe just when it's done reshuffling, then we'll get a particular a value from this. And how can we do that? We're going to make use of what is called random.choice, and this is good. Let's start in a variable. Let's call it val. So here we're going to say val. Val. Remember I said it's random.choice, so we're going to change this shuffle to choice. So this is our box, and this holds this is a variable that holds this container, and then when we put it inside here, this random.choice is going to reshuffle it and then pick a particular element or a particular value inside of this box. We don't know which one is going to pick, so anyone it picks for us, we don't know, we don't know the particular one is going to pick. So when we run it, we'll know which one got displayed out for us. So let's run it and see the one that we got picked. You can see here I got 4 displayed. So let me run it again. You can see I got 6 displayed. I got 2. If I keep on running, it's going to generate different choices of number. Like the name alone should be more than enough to explain what this actually does. You can see random.choice just to choose or just any choice, so we don't really know the particular one that is definitely going to pick. So that's just one of the things. This can be useful in a whole lot of situations. Let's say where you want to create it in a music player. Let's say when we do a music player using Kinta, we're going to make use of this random.choice. So let's say we have minimum, because most of us we might like to put our music in all our music library. We want to enter and listen to music. We don't want it to go accordingly, because at times we don't want to know which song is going to play next. We're going to make use of this choice in a situation where we put our music to be going in order that we do not want to predict or know the next song that is going to play. We are going to make use of this choice. Here we can give it our music, and it's going to reshuffle it and play any one of his choice without us knowing which one that actually and us knowing the next one that is going to be played out. So that's one of the uses of choice, like random.choice. A whole lot of uses of them, but this is just basically one I can think of. So I think this is where we'll end this video. Now next we are going to do something really better than this, similar to these two. So I think this is where we are going to end this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's really important. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.